welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button below and turn on the notifications so that you can get all the videos that we post. Okay, so today we are going to be breaking down the song Tariro by Aleck Macheso. The key of the song is in the key of F sharp. So the position that you'll be in is this F sharp, which is on the 14th fret. So we'll use triad, so that you slide from the 13th fret to the 14th fret, and then you play on the 14th fret as well. You play on the second string, so first string, second string, 15th fret of that string. So you're actually playing the major chord, the F sharp major chord, as an arpeggio. Sorry. Then the next part is, so that's from 14th fret to the 16th fret of your second string. Then the next part is then the second part is so it also starts with a slide from the 10th fret to the 11th. Then you do an arpeggio of the major chord. So that's on the 11th fret you play the 2nd, 3rd and 4th string, and then the 5th string you play on your 13th fret. So it's the next part is, and that's on the second string you play on the 12th fret, and on the first string you play on the 13th fret. So you're playing the 4th and 7th note of the major scale. So it's then the next part is you'll be playing the double stops. So you're playing that intervals. So that will be from the 11th fret, 2nd and 3rd string, and then the next one is on 13th fret of your 3rd string and 12th fret of your 2nd string, and then you go back, and then you hold the sharp. You'll be on the 3rd string, you'll be holding your 10th fret, and on the 2nd string you hold the 9th fret. Then you slide down to the 8th fret and 7th fret. So it's and then you play on the 8th fret that will be your 8th fret, 3rd string and 4th string. And then you play 7th fret and 8th fret of your 4th string. 2nd string, 7th fret, then that will be your 6th fret, 2nd string, and 4th string. So it's so altogether it's Thank you very much for tuning into our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscription button below and turn on the notifications to get all the videos that we post. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much.